Let's use some attributes and make our resource secure. Let's have a look on the books controller. In this books controller, we are making some operations for the book. We are getting all the books, we are adding new book, we are updating and deleting all the books. Now let's say I want to allow only the authorized user to access these resources. Then I have to make them secure. As of now, anyone can access these resources and they can make any change from anywhere. To make them secure, we have to use one attribute. The name of the attribute is authorize. This authorize attribute is available under this Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.authorization namespace. If you are adding this authorize attribute at the controller level, then all the action methods that are available under this controller, all of them will get secure. You can also use this authorize attribute at the action method level. Now let's say we have 4 to 5 action methods in this books controller, and among all of them I want to secure only one. Then instead of using it authorize attribute at the controller level, I can use it simply at the action method level. Like this. You can also use this authorize attribute at all the action methods. Let's say I'm using it at the controller level. Now all the resources of this books controller are secure. To enable the authentication in this application, we have to add one middleware in the startup class. In the startup class inside this configure method, before this authorization we have to use authentication. Use authentication. Now the authentication and authorization is enabled in this application. Now to access these resources we must have an authorized user, and for that we have to work with the login API. Let's work on the login API.